Good morning, students. So, before have one more problem of Rij. Okay, so let us see the theoretical version of the problem. Okay, that is the theorem. Okay, so I start this session with theorem. This is the theorem. If L equal to L of A, okay, if L equal to L of A for some DFA A. So here capital A, which means automata. The automata which is deterministic finite automata. If the language L equal to L of A for some DFA A, then there is a regular expression R such that L equal to L of R. Okay, so I'll shift into my notes. Okay, so this is the theorem. So this theorem actually gives the proof that it is possible to convert DFA into regular expression. Okay, so and this theorem is this theorem, that is RIJ method. So method, this is RIJ method. This theorem is designed by Hopcroft, so one of the author of your textbook. Okay, so here let Rij of K, Rij of K, which is the regular expression, whose language is the set of strings W such that W is the label of a path from state I to state J in A. Okay, so W is the label of path from state I to state J in A, and the path has no intermediate node whose number is greater than K. So which means Rij of K is the regular expression of all paths from I to J passing through nodes whose sort order is less than K. Okay, sort order, which means for this problem, Rij problem, your automata should be in the sort order, which means your initial state starting with 1. So high, giving the higher number to final state. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So like that, you have given the name of your automata. Okay, so for this case of problem, your automata should be in the sorted order. Okay, so sorted order means again repeated. Starting state means 1. So give it the higher number to final state. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So like that. Okay. Here in this theorem 2, we are using the induction proof. Okay. The induction proof. So induction proof means what? Inductive proof in the first unit. So inductive proof means there are two cases in inductive proof. Two parts. The first one basis. The second one induction. Okay, let me start with the basis part of basis part. Okay, so that is k equal to 0 case. Okay, so in your program, what is the first step? You have to calculate k equal to 0. So that part is becoming the basis part of the theorem. Okay, so here two situations are possible. Okay, so two situations are possible. One is an arc from node I to node j. Okay, so another one is no length, which means path of length 0. That is self state loop. Okay, so self state loop means like that. Sorry. This is state means self state means this one. Okay, so length of 0, self state loop. So see Rij of 0. Here the two cases main thing, I not equal to j and I equal to j. So I equal to j means self state loop. Okay, so I not equal to j means here you just add a transition, that is enough. Okay, the for I not equal to j the case means just add the transition. Okay, so I equal to j means this is I equal to j case. Okay, so I equal to j, which is represent the self state. Since it is represent the self state, it starts with epsilon. Plus, if there any transition, if there any a means, okay, input a means epsilon plus a. Okay, so this is the main two cases coming to the basis part. Okay, so concluding that here, so concluding that first, if I not equal to j, so the case I not equal to j, the first one, if there is no such symbol A, if there is no such symbol A, then Rij of 0 equal to 5. Okay, so this is the case of I not equal to J. And second one, B part. If there is exactly one such symbol A, means then Rij of 0 equal to A. Okay, so then that's the last one. If there are symbols like A1, A2 up to AK, which means that label, which means Rij of 0 means A1 plus A2 up to AK. Okay, some situations like that 0 comma 1. Okay, which means 0 plus 1. So like that. Okay. So this is the case of if I not equal to j. Next, I equal to j. So in this case, first one, if no symbol A, the expression becomes epsilon. Epsilon only. Okay. If any symbol or multiple symbols mean epsilon plus A or epsilon plus A1 plus A2. So this case is possible. Okay. So this is the basis part. Okay. So next thing, induction part. Okay. So based on the basis part, you have to extend your induction part. In this induction step two path labels are possible. Okay, the first one, Rij of k minus 1. Okay, so this is the first one, I to j, direct one, Ri to j, that is initial to final. Okay, a direct one, a direct connection between I to j. The second one talk about intermediate transition. Okay, second one means intermediate transition. See the diagram. Intermediate transition means here R I K one possible. Okay, so R I K, then K K means it appears in the multiple steps. Okay, it is that is only you have added this part in the closure, and the last part are Kj of K min Kj. Okay, so so just collaborating all things. Okay, we have rewritten the formula as the final Rj formula as Rij of k. Okay, so Rij of k equal to Rij of k minus 1 plus Rik of k minus 1 into Rkk of k minus 1 whole closure and Rkj of k minus 1. Okay, so this formula is used in the induction part. So this is your theorem which is belongs to Rij method. Inverse theorem has two parts. Since you are proving your theorem using inductive definition, inductive proof, the basis part, the second one, induction part. Okay, basics part, induction part. So what do you mean basics part means? There's two cases, I not equal to j and the cases I equal to j. Okay, so the induction part means the collaborate formula. Okay, so these two things are playing important role in solving your problem. Okay, so next coming to the problem. One more problem. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, this is your problem. Coming to the problem. In this problem, what is the input they have given? So that is transition. You have transition table into transition diagram. Okay, so and one more thing, and give the number in the sorted order. Okay, starting with number 1. Okay, one given to the initial state. Okay, then higher number to final state. Here one more node, intermediate node is that. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from this transition, so this is the transition diagram of the transition diagram itself. We can understand this is a typical DFA. Okay, so and this is the typical DFA from check Q1. Okay, how many possible inputs are there? 0, comma 1. Just I check. Q1 on 0 goes to Q3, Q1 on 0, Q1 on 1 goes to Q3, Q1 on 0 goes to Q2, Q2 on 0 goes to Q1, Q2 on 1 goes to Q3, Q3 on 0 goes to Q2, Q3 on 1 goes to Q1. Okay, so all the states having the transition 0, comma 1. Okay, so this is the typical DFA. Okay, so anyone post here from this transition diagram, what is the number of states? What is the very simple thing? What is the number of states in the transition diagram? How many number of, yes, 3. Okay. Now, so since the number of states it is equal to 3. Then what about the possible value of k? Again, post it out this k value, possible value of k. Yes, possible value k means 0 starting with 0, 1, 2, 3. So k equal to 0 case means basis part, remaining things comes under the induction part. Okay, first one, basis part, k equal to 0. So k equal to 0 means Rij of 0. Okay, so first one. So since your number of states equal to 3, so 1 1, so what are all the possible 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. 9 things are possible here. Okay, so R1 1 of 0. Okay, coming to here R11, which is the example of the case I equal to J, right? Self-state case. Okay, is there any transition? Is there any self loop is here? No. So only you just add epsilon. Okay. Next, R12 of 0. So R12 of 0 means R1, 2. Okay. So R12. 1 2 means the label here 0. Just add 0 here. Next R13. R13. What is the label here? 1. So I have add 1 here. So again, next 1. What is the label? 2. Sorry. 2, 1. What is the label? This one. 0. So I have 0 here. Next again 2 2. 2 2 actually the same thing, self state part, the basis thing, category of I equal to j. So is there any self loop is here? No. So I just add epsilon. Okay. Next thing R23. So R23. R23 23 means what's the label? 1. So I just add 1 here. Next R31. What is the label? 31? 1. I just add 1 here. R32. Okay, what is the label 32? 0. I just add 0 here. Okay, R33. Again the case I equal to j. Okay, since it is a self loop, it starts with epsilon. Is there any more transition between 3, 3? No, no any self loop. So I just add epsilon here. Okay, so this is the basis part of k equal to 0 case. Okay, so again, one more point here from this transition diagram. Actually, I will take I equal to 1. Okay, starting state I equal to 1. Then final state j equal to 3. Okay, so from the transition diagram, I'm taking starting state which is I equal to 1. Then final state j equal to 3. Number of states which is number of states means 3. So regular expression R 1 3 of 3. Actually, this regular expression, okay, this state, this transition gives the regular expression of this automata. Okay, so R1 3 of 3. This state, this is the regular expression of this automata. Okay, so I motivate. What is the motivation factor here? Calculate R1 3 of 3. Okay, so for calculating R1 3 of 3, I've just done so many things before. K equal to 0 case, K equal to 1 case, K equal to 2 case. Okay, so this is actually our this only you have to going to find out. Okay, so enough. First part, as usual, first part, basis part is over. Next, induction part starting with K equal to 1. So K equal to 1, which means your Rij formula. Okay, I'm just initialized K equal to 1 in the Rij formula. So this part are K minus 1. Okay, so it becomes 0. So Rij of 0 plus R is missing. Ri1 of 0, R11 of 0, closer R1j of 0. Okay. Next, again, 9 cases, 9 transitions are possible in the case k equal to 1, R11, R1, 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, R11 of 1. So R11 of 0 plus R11 of 0, R11 of 0 closer, R11 of 0. Okay, just putting the value for R11 of 0, epsilon. Okay, so R11 of 0 means epsilon. Here also epsilon. Here also epsilon closer. Here also epsilon. Okay, so just coming to the last one, epsilon is your answer. Okay, epsilon. So I means epsilon closer is which is equal to epsilon only. Okay, epsilon. Next, R 1 2 of 1. Again, I have choose the formula, put the value for k equal to 1, I equal to k equal to 1, then I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Okay, so what is this means? I equal to 1, this is j part, this is I part, and this is the j part, and this is k part. Okay, this is the formula. R12 of 0, the value is 0 only, plus R11 of 0 epsilon, again same thing, epsilon closer, R12 of 0 0. So both coming to the a single epsilon, right? So single epsilon is enough. So 0 plus epsilon 0 or epsilon closer 0, 0 plus 0, we just neglect epsilon here. 0 plus 0. So what is the language of 0 plus 0? 0 comma 0. Okay, so the language is 0 plus 0 means 0 comma 0. So I just omit the duplicate 0. Okay, just one 0 is added. Okay, so R1 2 of 1, the part is over. Next R1 3 of 1. So again the formula. Okay, so here I equal to 1 and j equal to 3 and k equal to 1. Okay, so substitute the value for this R1 and 1 3 of 0 1 plus again epsilon closer 1. Okay, so this part will become the same thing epsilon. So 1 plus epsilon closer 1 or 1 plus epsilon 1. So 1 plus 1 means not 2 here. 1 plus 1 regular expression. This is the regular expression. What is the language of this regular expression? 1 comma 1. Okay, so since the value is repeated, I just omit the duplicate. This one is added. Okay, next R 2 1 of 1. So here I equal to 2 and j equal to 1 and k equal to 1. Okay, so R2 1 of 0, I substitute the values in the given formula, RIJ formula. So R2 1 of 0 0, then R2 1 of 0 0, epsilon closer, then 1 1 of 0 epsilon. Okay, so again same thing, 0 plus 0, a simple 0 is added here. Okay, next again R2 2 of 1. So here I equal to 2 and here j equal to 2 and k equal to 1. Okay, so put it in the formula. So I substitute the values here epsilon 2 2 of 0 epsilon, and just one more check, 2 2. So yes, epsilon only, epsilon 0, epsilon closer 0. Okay, so almost just coming to the last one, 0 is possible here, right? So 0. Next then R 2 3 of 1. So here I equal to 2, then j equal to 3 and k equal to 1. Okay, so this is the formula. Substitute the value 1 plus 0 epsilon closer 1. So again epsilon closer means epsilon, just to omit it, 1 plus 0 1. Okay, so 1 plus 0 1 means what is the language? What is the language? 1 comma 0 1 1 comma 0 1, no any duplicate is added. Okay, so I kept 1 plus 0 1 as it is. Okay, next R 3 1 of 1. Okay, so here I equal to 3, then j equal to 1 and k equal to 1. Okay, so again the formula, then R 3 1 of 0 plus put the value 1 plus 1 epsilon closer epsilon. So these things just omit these things, 1 plus 1, so repeated 1, so 1 is added. Okay, next R 3 2 of 1. Okay, so here I equal to 3, then again j equal to 2, again k equal to 1. Okay, so put it in the formula. So it's 0 plus 1 epsilon closer 0. So epsilon closer omitted, 0 plus 1 0. 0 plus 1 0 means what is the language? 0 comma 1 0. No any duplicates are here. Just keep as it is 0 plus 1 0. Next R 3 3 of 1. So here I equal to 3, then J equal to 3, then K equal to 1. Okay. So put it in the formula. R33 of 0 epsilon plus 1 epsilon closer 1. So epsilon closer I just omitted epsilon plus 1 1. So epsilon plus 1 1 means 1 1. Okay. Next. So epsilon plus 1 1 means what is the language here? So language means so just to omit epsilon 1 1 which is the language. So just so I added 1 1 here. Okay. So both are right. And for K2, next case. Okay, for K2, K equal to 2. Again, 9 transitions. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So, formula. This is the formula. So, I put the value for I here. Again, same thing. I equal to 1, J equal to 1, and K equal to here 2. So, since here K equal to 2, so this is K equal to minus 1 part. So, 1. Okay, the power will become 1 here. So, again, substitute the values here. R11 of 1 epsilon plus 0 0 closer 0. Okay, so epsilon, so 0 and 0 both are becoming the 0 closer, right? So I just add 0 closer, epsilon plus 0 closer 0 closer. Okay. Next, R I 1 2 of 2. So here I equal to 1, then J equal to 2, again K equal to 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Then want to again substitute the values here. 0 plus epsilon 0 closer 0. So 0 closer 0. So both are actually the 0, it's becoming the part of 0 closer. So I just choose 0 closer enough. Okay, so epsilon 0 closer. So again repeated 0 closer 0, which means what is the language? Okay, so language means zero closer language. What is the zero closer language? It is starting with epsilon 0. So combination of 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, something. Next, what is the value here? 0. 0 is added. So the duplicate is added here. So I eliminate the duplicate. So 0 closer is enough. Okay. This is the way of calculate. So epsilon 0 closer. 0 plus again 0 plus 0 closer, same thing, 0 is added. So 0 closer is enough. Okay, so in the 0 closer, everything is 0 is added. So 0 closer is enough. This is the answer. R13 of 2. So again here I equal to 1, then J equal to 3 and K equal to 2. So put it in the formula. Then again substitute the values here. R13 of 1, which becomes 1. Then R12 of 1, 0. Then 0 closer. Then 1 plus 0, 1. Okay. 1 plus 0, 1. Then here language 1 plus 0 0 closer means I substitute 0 closer is enough. Okay, 1 plus 0 closer, 1 plus 0 1. Okay, so keep at as it is. 1 plus 0 closer, 1 plus 0 1. This is the your output. Okay. Next, R2 1 of 2. Here again I equal to 2, then J equal to 1, again K equal to 2. Okay, so I equal to 2, J equal to 1, K equal to 2. So again substitute the formula, the values 0 plus 0, 0 closer 0. So can we conclude that 0 closer? Okay. Next, R2 2 of 2. So again here I equal to 2, then J equal to 2. This is K. K equal to 2. So this is the formula. Again the value. So what is the output? 0 closer. Okay. Next. R2, R2 3 of 2. So again I equal to 2, then J equal to 3 and K equal to 2. Okay. So again the formula, substitute the values means 1 plus 0 1 for R2 3 of 1 plus the R2 1 of 1 which is 0. R2 2 of 1 means 0 then closer. So again R2 3 of 1 1 plus 0 1. So here 0, 0 closer means enough. I have added 0 closer. So repeated here means 1 plus 0, 1 is repeated 2 times. So one time we just add 1 plus 0, 1. So 1 plus 0, 1, 0 closer. Okay. So this is the output of R 2, 3 of 2. Okay. Next. Okay, next coming here only R3 1 of 2. Okay, so R3 1 of 2. So I equal to 3, then J equal to 1 and K equal to 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Then 1 plus so R1 3 1 of 1, which is 1, R3 2 of 1, which is 0 plus 1 0, R2 2 of 1 0, so then 0 closer, R2 2 1 of 1, again 0. Okay, so 1 here, 0 closer 0. Okay, so I just add 0 closer is enough. 0 plus 1 0, I just added here, then 1 plus. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 0, 0 closer. This is the output of R3 1 of 2. This is the regular expression of R3 1 of 2. Okay, next R3 2 of 2. Here I equal to 3, then J equal to 2, then K equal to 2. So again, substitute the values here. Okay, so values for Rij formula. So 0 plus R3 2 of 1, which brings 0 plus 1 0, R3 2 of 1 again 0 plus 1 0, R2 2 of 1 0 closer, R2 2 of 1 0. Okay, so this will become the part 0 closer. Okay, so 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. This is actually added 2 times. So duplicate, they remove the duplicate, 0 plus 1, 0, 0 closer. Okay, so that's enough. Next are 3, 3 of 2. So here, so I equal to 3, then J equal to 3, again K equal to 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Then 1 plus again R3 3 of 1 means 1, R3 2 of 1 0 plus 1 0, R2 2 of 1 0 closer, R2 3 of 1 1 plus 0 1. Okay, so actually almost no one is repeated here. See here 1. Okay, so 1 is different from 1 0. So I kept 1 here. Okay, this is 1 plus 0 1. Okay, then this is 0 plus 1 0. These two part are different only. So 0 closer, I kept it as it is. Okay. So almost K equal to 2 part over. So first we have completed K equal to 0 part. This part will come into the category of basis part. Next induction part starting with K equal to 1. So K equal to 1 I'm over. K equal to 2 is also over. K equal to 3. Okay, this is our last part. Okay, so why your number of states which is equal to 3. So last case. So in the last case, actually only one is enough, right? Only one regular expression is enough. That is R1 3 of 0. Okay, so coming to the transition diagram, this is 1 which is considered as your starting state, 3 which is considered as your final state. So transition between I to J, number of states which is equal to number 3. So R1 3 of 0, this regular expression, actually this is the output of the this is the output, actual output. This is the regular expression of the given automata. Okay, so R1 3 of 0. So again I substitute values here. R1 3 of 2 plus R1 3 of 2, R3 3 of 2 closer, R3 3 of 2. So based on the previous case output K equal to 0 output, I just put the value here. So 1 3 of 2. So this is the value 1 3 of 2. So again 1 3 of 2. Okay. So again 3 3 of 2. So this is 3 3 of 2 closer. So again 3 3 of 2. So see here. Actually this two part is repeated one. Okay. So I have just added one part, and this is also repeated. This is closer. So closer is enough. So I just add this part only. Okay. So this is your output. Actually this program, which is the exercise program from your textbook. Okay, so textbook, so author Hopcroft Ullman. So this is a typical exercise program from your textbook. Okay, so anyone just unmute your mic and tell me the Rij formula. Not anyone. I'll almost 5 to 6 people. So you have to tell the Rij formula. So anyone unmute your audio and tell me Rij formula. Else, randomly I will give the name. Okay. B Rakesh. So what is the Rij formula? Is it audible to you? Rakesh B. Rij formula. So memorizing this formula is enough. Okay. To solve a part B problem. So one of the important part B problem in your uh, unit 2. Okay. So Rij. So one of the important part B problem. So anyone? Shrima. Rakesh B actually left the meeting. Shrima. Shrima is here. So I'm instructing the students to actually you have to take notes. Okay. So tell me the formula of Rij. Rij formula. Sanjay Charan. So actually no one is ready to take your notes, right? It's almost the last hope. Vignesh, my last hope.
Rij of Rij k is equal to
Mm.
Rij k minus 1 plus Rik k minus 1 into Rkk k minus 1
Yes.
the whole closure Rkj k minus 1.
Uh, mm. Yeah. Okay. Actually I thank to Vignesh J. Okay. Super. Okay. Unmute your mic. Just recall of the previous day. Okay. So for k equal to 0 case. So actually, anyone can tell me which regular expression will bring the output of this automata. Just post your answer. Which regular expression? I'm asking like this. Which one? Which regular expression? Just post your answer here. Which R 1 2 of 2. Right. Yes. Good. So R 1 2 of 2. So this regular expression actually the output of this automata. Okay. So for k equal to 0 case means what about R11 of 0? Hmm. R11 of 0 means post your answer here. R11 of 0 from this diagram. R11 of 0. So R11 of R11. 11 means self state. So coming to the category of I equal to J. Okay. So I equal to J case means what is the output of R11 of 0? Simply 1. I'm again uh, repeated here. Epsilon plus 1. Good. Okay. Which means epsilon plus 1. Okay. Next, R12 of 0. R12 of 0. R12. Okay. Yes. 0. 0. Right. Then R21 of 0. R21 of 0. So no any symbol means just in the wording, just represent the answer. Yes, 5. Okay, so null means here epsilon. Okay, so 5. 5 means empty language. Okay, R 2 of 0. Yes, Kirtana, B is good. Okay, epsilon plus 0 plus 1. Yes, right. Again 5 minutes more. So one or two cases. Okay. Induction part. Starting the induction part, k equal to 1. Okay. What is the value of R1 1 of 1? R1 1 of 1. Since it is the induction part, you have to apply the formula. First write the formula. So put the value based on the previous case, k equal to 0. Okay. R1 1 of 1. Take your time, that's enough. You have to do yourself. Take a paper, first write the formula, then apply the value I equal to 1, j equal to 1, k equal to 1. Since k equal to 1, so the power becomes 0, right? R11 of 0 plus R11 of 0, then R11 of 0 closer, again R11 of 0. Yes, super. 1 closer, right. Next, same thing. This is 1 closer. So next, R1 2 of 1. The same formula you have to apply. Here I equal to 1, j equal to 2, k equal to 1. R1 2 of 1. Write the formula. If you substitute I equal to 1, j equal to 2, k equal to 1 means R1 2 of 0 plus R11 of 0 in R11 of 0 closer, then R12 of 0. Okay, so again 1 closer. Just a minute. One closer only. So what about others? Anyone? R1 2 of 1, 1 closer, 0. Right. Keetana B is right. 1 closer, 0. You should add 0. Okay. Then what about R2 1 of 1? And the final R2 2 of 1. R2 1 of 1. So R2 1 of 1. So again I equal to 2, j equal to 1, k equal to 1. So R2 1 of 0 plus R2 1 of 0 in R1 1 of 0 closer, then R1 1 of 0. So put the value based on the k equal to 0 case. What's the output? If any symbol means you have to just name the symbol. Okay. Yes. Kirtana, yeah, which is right. 5. Yes. Again the last one. R2 2 of 1. I equal to 2. J equal to 2. K equal to 1. So R2 2 of 0 plus R2 1 of 0. Then R1 1 of 0 closer. R1 2 of 0. So anyone other than Kirtana? Anyone? So Kirtana, which is very attentive. What about others? Actually, almost 140 people are here. Okay. So always take a notes for all classes. Okay. So what about others? Yes, 0 plus 1. Yes, epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So you have to add 0 plus 1, right? 0 plus 1. Yes, that's enough. Okay. So so k equal to again in k equal to 2 means again the same four cases are there. Or again or 1 1 of 2 or 1 2 of 2, 2 1 of 2, 2 2 of 2. Okay. So the last cases. So it will so I think almost enough. Is there any doubt? So almost in the next case, only one is enough, right? So in the next case, R 1 2 of 2. So calculating R 1 2 of 2 is enough, right? No, no, no. Since number of states equal to 2, since this is the last step, so only one thing is enough. So what is the thing? R 1 2 of 2, right? So is there any
Ma'am,
answer? R 1 2 of 2?
why R12 of 2,
Yes.
ma'am?
Philippa.
Why only R12 of 2, ma'am? Not the rest.
Okay. See the automata. Okay. So this automata, since this is the RIJ problem, so your number should be in the sorted order, starting with 1. So your starting state, which is equal to 1. Then here only 2 states are possible. So 1, 2, the number 1, 2. Okay. So 1 means starting state, 2 means final state. So number of states means k equal to 2. Okay. So for this automata, the regular expression, which means R1, y means I equal to 1, starting state equal to 1. Then final state. What about the final state? Here 2. Okay. Final state 2. Then what about the k value? K equal to 2, right? So k equal to 2. So this regular expression, actually this regular expression is the result of this automata R1 2 of 2. This regular expression actually gives the result of the automata. For calculating R1 2 of 2 case, you have done some previous steps, basic steps, some induction step, starting with a k equal to 0, k equal to 1. Okay. So
Okay,
since this the number of states which is equal to 2 means k always 0 1 2. So what's the last step? K equal to 2. So in the k equal to 2, actually 4 cases are possible, but no need to do all the things. That one enough or 1 2 of 2 is the enough, because this regular expression gives the value of this automata. Okay. So R1 2 of 2, which is the regular expression of this automata. Okay. So got it. It's almost RAJ problem is over. For the next class, I will start state elimination method. Okay, so one more method, state elimination method. And one more point, your RIJ method, which is typically for only DFI to regular expression. Okay, deterministic finite automata to regular expression, which is applicable for this case only. Okay. Okay, Anna. Okay, thank you so much.